If you are a coffee lover and looking for a coffee mug, then you can try the Milton Coffee Mug. Details, information, and links are in the description below. Vacuum insulated mug is made up of a durable 304 stainless steel, built to withstand the demands of everyday use. Inner copper coating for better temperature retention. Insulated technology keeps beverages hot or cold for hours. This coffee mug makes it perfect for carrying with you on any trip or anywhere you go. Ideal for carrying liquids such as coffee, soup, tea, juice, and much more. Perfect for gifting your loved one. This flask has ideal shape and size to carry. It can perfectly fit in most of the car cup holder. It has stainless steel strainer inside that helps to drink green tea on the go. This mug is leak-proof, so you can carry your beverages without any worries. This flask is made of stainless steel, which is rust-proof and durable, user-friendly, and highly functioned. The taste and nutritive value of the drinks remains intact, making the flask a very appropriate choice for storing beverages. Milton Coffee Mug is built in strainer and also available in multiple colors. If you like the video, then like, share, and subscribe.